Sa nilayo-layo ng aking pinanggalingan, ang baba ng mic. Mula sa pinagtagping-tagping alpabetong Pilipino, nabuo ang aking tunay na pangalan, Gerald Dado Bayani Bagsunat. Since this is a pageant, may I loud send by the name, your only Super Serena, Queen of Tupas. You are all right. This is Miss Queen Bolo Altamirano, and I'm proud to honor, to dignify, from the Barangay CP, province of Albay. Batid ko ng ating mga hurado sa gabi nito ay pawang inteligente at matatalino. Kaysa iilang kandidata, ibigay ho natin ang 100% ng respeto sa pagpapakilanlan. Dahil alam naman po natin na 50% sa nanonood ngayong gabi ay pawang kabataan. Ngayong gabi, ako ay mag-iiwan lamang po ng kasabihang hindi po bastos, ngunit katotohanan lamang po. Na sa naglalakihan nilang dibdib, sa nagpupuntian nilang kutis. Ngayong gabi, sasabayan, papantayan, minsan pa nga po ay hihigitan ng tao nasa inyong harapan. Once again, good evening. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. This is your candidate, number 1, Advance. Merry Christmas, and I love you all.
Good evening, everyone. Show the true color of your skin. Let the brilliant light of your soul shine. Because hope is better than fear, and optimism is better than despair. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Kim Nantes Masbate. I am 29 years old, proud and honored to represent Market Site.
In a world of queens, be a catalyst of change. Good evening, people of Taraga. This is Queen Benny Malaka Ingot 21, honored and dignified to represent Binitayan Relocation Site.
If you want, I can go.
season remind us that giving from the heart is the greatest gift of all. Good evening, people, Barangay Marker Site. This is Chelsea Maliana, 21, representing Barangay Sagbot, Daraga, Albay. Good evening, people of Market Side. Standing before you as a second-year college at Beagle College, taking up the Bachelor of Secondary Education major in English, and at the same time serving my barangay as the SK chairman. I am Dana Veronica Lopez, 21, all the way from the barangay that may be small, but I can say that it is definitely wonderful. From the Green Lava Festival representing Barangay Mixi Daraga, Alba.
Good evening, everyone. This is Jara Agata Monte Carlo, your reigning Miss Gay Malabog 2025, and your candidate now. I am 21-year-old Sunner, representing my hometown, my barangay, Salvation.
Tonight is the gathering of the beauty icons all over Bitcalandia, vying for one crown, one title. Standing in front of you is a fresh start. I am Andrea Velasco, all the way from Arroy, Daraga, Albay, na nagsasabi, if you have it, show it. Mamatay sila sa inggit. And I, thank you.
Bahay na Banggi Market Site. Standing in front of you is a fresh graduate of Bicol University College of Nursing cum laude. And now, I am proud to say that I am a fresh, newly registered nurse this November 2025. I am 23 years old, coming all the way from Mararoy, Dalaga, Albay. Judges, audience, please mark my face because I will give you the best show tonight. Thank you.
Kita mo Bombay. Ay, oh.
Good evening.
Come in.
Good evening, Barangay Market Site.
Good evening.
This is Maria Sahaya, Latino representing kung saan ako nag-aaraway pero nag-magahalan Market Site!
Leave your marks in people's mind if you want to be remembered. But leave your marks in people's heart if you want to live forever. Good evening, Market Site! Standing in front of you is third-year AB English language student from Bicol University College of Arts and Letters. This is Kiana Moana Marie Preston Scott, all the way from the land kung saan hindi matapos-tapos ang tulay, also known as the Lion Bridge of Pilipinas!
And that completes our self-introduction of our 10 equally gorgeous and beautiful ladies for tonight, vying for one title, one crown as Miss Game Market Site 2025. At this point, to officially welcome everyone tonight, we call on Honorable Enrique King Diazis, the barangay captain of Market Site and the Liga ng mga Barangay President of Dalaga and Liga ng mga Barangay Vice President Albay Province.
Hello, nag-enjoy ba ka, boss? Sobrang enjoy kita nga na. So, siyempre, nagpasalamat kita primero sa ating Maladyos, na ako tayong maraming oras. Kami doon nagatong pag-ibig. Sabi ko, di kami managos na magayon maling event yan.